BBQ Box would like to introduce to you our Pitmaster for August 2019, Richard Zabel. Today, Rich shows us his smoked wings, a top seller at his Brickhouse barbecue and grill.
We're gonna make the honey mesquite wings, and we're just gonna take Richie Z's rub these, just shake them on generously, roll them around. You want to get it on all the sides. Like that there. And we will take these, put them on the grill with the wood chips, and we'll cook them till they get to about a temperature of 175, 180. And then we will toss them in the sauce and put them on the plate. Alright, so I'm going to put wood chips on. I'm using Gateway drum smokers here, and it's what we use on the competition. We're going to just put the wood chips on the coals here. We use actually bigger chunks, but on a grill you would use the smaller ones. Then we will throw that on. We'll put these wings on. We'll just line them up here, and we will cook them until they get like the temperature. They'll turn golden brown, and we'll turn to about 170 degrees, right in there, 180, somewhere in there. We'll cook them at 275, right in there until they're done. We've been cooking these for about an hour, and they're right at where we want them to be. So we're gonna pull them off. I've rotated them a couple times, just flipping them around and keeping them so they don't get too dark on any side. So we'll take them off, and then we'll toss them in the sauce. And we'll take them in and toss them. All right, we'll take the honey mesquite, put some in the bottom of the pan, around the edges a little bit. We will toss all the wings in there. We will try to get a little bit on there and put a little bit more on top. And we'll plate them on a plate with some blue cheese or ranch. We're using ranch right now. And there you are.